Hi guys, today we have Samsung A10 Not Charging. Let's do it. Put the charger on. Make sure the device is not charging before you doing this operation. Try one more time. Now we can disassemble the device. Remove SIM card slot. You can push using your nail or any plastic tool. There is no screws. To the back frame. All you need to do is to push it. Remove all screws from the top shield because we need to unplug the battery. The flex cable of the battery, it's hidden under the shield, the plastic shield. Unplug the battery. The device came dead, so I wanted to make sure the device wasn't bugged, so I tried to power it on. Also no sign. Check the battery voltage. It's 2.70 and this is a problem. There was a circuit causing the battery to be less than 3.2 volt. If the battery is less than 3.2 volt, the device won't charge. The power from the charging port is 2 volt. Must be 0.3 to 4 volt. Okay, now we need to give some power to the battery from the outside. You can use a charger, cut the wires like I did, positive and negative, and give the battery some power, so then we can charge the device normally. Make the power to 3.50 and then we can let it go. Okay, that's enough. Now we need to replace the charging port. Remove the plastic shield and get the charging board outside. You can just replace the whole charging board with another one, or you can just replace the charging port with another one. Do whatever you think is best for you or easier for you. Now I'm going just to replace the charging port. Remove the main flex cable. Remove the antenna wires. There is 2. You can remove them now. I forgot to remove the other one. Put the charging board on holder. Get the charging port. Make some solder to it. Put soldering paste. Now bring both to remove it easily. Resolder the legs. We need to make them in a good shape before putting the new charging port. Then clean it with alcohol. Put another soldering paste, and then we are ready to proceed. Sorry, I didn't see that coming. There is no view, but you know what is going on. You just heat the charging port to its place. Let it cool down for a few minutes, 5 minutes, and then you can assemble it and try. Before I do that, I just wanted to make sure all the legs are connected properly. Some legs not connected, so I'm going to do it manually. Bring the soldering iron and solder them. All good. Now we can assemble and test. Put the charger on and wait for it. Okay, we have a sign. Great job. Now let's just assemble the whole phone. Okay, now we can remove it and start assemble. That was for today. You can now just assemble. As you can see, reverse the operation. Nothing to be told more than I told you before. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe for me. We will see you in the next video. See ya. Like, Subscribe. Enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.